Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Baharat beef kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 500 grams of diced beef. So we're going to start in a bowl by adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of ground cardamom, a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a quarter teaspoon of ground cloves. And to our spices, we're just going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And all we want to do is just mix this together and get that well combined. So I'm going to add 500 grams of diced beef. Now I'm just using diced beef rump for this. You can pretty much use any cut you want, just whatever you prefer. We just want to mix that well, just get that well coated and covered. Alright, so we'll just cover that, place it straight into the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. You can leave it overnight for best results. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and skewer these and cook them. Now basically you got a few different options on what you want to do. So in my case, I'm just going to put them on long metal skewers like so and put them on my grill. Now if you don't want to do that, you can put these on wooden bamboo skewers. If you're doing that, soak the wooden skewers first so they don't burn. You can put these on small metal skewers that are about that long as well that you can find and put them on the grill. You can fry these if you like, there's nothing wrong with that, but grilled meat is always better. So we'll go ahead and skewer these on. Now you want to put pieces that are about the same size. That way they'll cook evenly. Just like so. And that's one skewer ready to go. So I'm just going to continue skewering all our meat. Alright guys, so in my case I've got 3 skewers like so. So let's move on to our grill. Alright guys, so I'm just going to cook these on a medium to high heat. So we'll place our skewers straight on. After about 30 seconds, we'll just flip our skewers. Basically to seal all that flavour inside. After another 30 seconds, we'll flip them again. So guys, basically we're flipping them every 30 seconds now until they're cooked all the way through. Now this should only take about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good now. So to determine if it's cooked, basically look for the piece that's the biggest. I'd say probably this one here. And as you can tell, it's nice and firm, which is what we want. So we'll set it to the side and we'll serve. So guys, in my case I'm just going to serve it up with some rice. So we'll push down from the top and from the bottom push all the way off to release. And that just looks amazing. So guys, there's a lot of different things you can do. You don't have to do it with rice. You can do it with salad, you can do it with bread. You can even put it into a piece of bread and make a wrap with it. And if you want any sauce with it, hummus goes well. Garlic sauce of course goes really well. But just on its own is obviously full of flavour. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.